Hey, I'm Johnny from Johnny's Vintage Motorcycle Company. Rebuilt this front wheel. This is for a Kawasaki F6 125 and it'll fit 71 to 73. Now, we vapor blasted the hub. It's got a nice brake surface, and this is genuine new parts in here. The bearings and everything are genuine new NOS. And the spokes are new NOS. Now, it's not perfect. The rim has a little bit of pitting. And, I mean, the chrome's not coming off or anything like that, but it does have a little pitting here and there. So I don't want to say it's perfect because it's not.